first attempt at this. Get rid of some of this yellowness. Foggy. It's a 240. That's with the 240 grit, nice and ugly. Clean it off, come at it with something else. 400 on a wet sanding block. Got that a little bit wet. Sandpaper's been soaking. After 400 grit, wiped with a wet towel. Now we'll move on to 1000 grit. After the 1000 grit, letting it dry. Then we'll be using grease and wax remover. This is with the grease and wax remover. Do a couple coats of this stuff. Dupli-Color protective clear coat. That's with one quick coat. After a second heavier coat, it's not perfect, but it beats paying an extra few $100s for new headlights. These ones have a little bit of life left in them now.